Have you ever wondered what is the difference between calendar and calendar auto in Power BI? In this video, I'm gonna show you when to use each of these tables and how to create the perfect calendar table in your report. I got you interested? So stay with me until the end of this video. Let's go. The calendar dimension is the most important dimension inside the data model. It's through it that we can create all the time-driven calculations and create consistently good measures. Without it, it will be much harder to compare different periods of time from different tables. So we can create this table using three different methods, two using DAX and the third one using the M language in Power Query. This last one I will be reviewing in a different video. So let's try the first method. We can create in modeling a new table. I will create a calculated table. Let me call it the calendar equal. The first one is called calendar auto. That returns a table with one column of dates calculated from the model automatically. So DAX will search the entire model for different table data columns. And inside of all the data columns of the model, it will choose the minimum value and the maximum value. And then it will create a list of dates starting in 1st of January of the minimum year and ending in the 31 of December of the maximum year. So let's give it a shot here in our model. Calendar auto and hit enter. It created here my table and here it is. It starts in 100,916 and ends in 2014. You may find strange the minimum year, it's way in the past, but why is that? As I said, the DAX calendar auto function, it will search the entire model for data columns. And if we take a look in our DIN customer, you can see birth dates. And we have a client that was born in that year. So it will not be a good thing to have a calendar dimension with such a large period of year that we won't use in our model. So a good practice is the calendar have the years based on our fact tables. The minimum year in our fact table and the maximum year of our fact table, or the current year. Basically will be the same because it's a fact table. We'll be working with it, and the current year will have data of the fact table. But we can use the two approaches. So let's start a new calendar table for me to show you how you can do that. I will go in modeling and new table. Create the calendar 2 equal. So I use now the calendar function. The calendar function needs two variables, start date and end date. It will return a table with one column of all dates between start date and end date. So we need two dates. What will be the first one? It will be the date function. Now we need to choose a year, a month, and a day. I want the year of our mean date, that is order date, in our fact internet sales. I close the year. Now I want the month, 1, and the day, 1. Close the parentheses. Now I want the end date. it will be the same thing. I will copy here, but now from my max year. And then I close my calendar. Now, as you can see, it starts in 2010 and go until 1st of January 2014. I only have data tables. This model that I use, it's Advanced Rewards, and only have data until 2014. So that's why it created the data within this range. Okay, here it is. Now, oh sorry, now that I see a little error there, and you can see that here is not 1st of January, sorry. Here is 1st of January because it's the mean year, and here is December 31. Now it will be correct, sorry. Let me show you again. 2010, and it must be the last date 31 of December of 2014. 31 of December of 2014. Now we got it. Another way we can use this here is substituting the max value here, max year, for the year of today. The year that I'm currently recording this video is 2024. So if I replace it, this max here for our fact table and put today, it will change from 31 of December of 2014 to 2024. Here it is. So it's two approaches that you can use. Now, as you can see, we only have a date column. And for a calendar, we want other information as year, month, month name, week of the week number, week of the year, and so on. I will show you a DAX code that you can do all of this in one little formula. You don't need to create new calculated columns inside a calculated table. So let me show you how it's done. I will grab here my code. I already had it ready. And I will create a third table here. Modeling, new table. And I will just paste it here. Here it is. I create two variables, one from mean year and the other for max year. Here in max year, you can use the max date of our fact table or today. You can choose it. Then I use the calendar auto function using a filter to filter the dates between these 2 years, the max and the mean year. And then I use an add columns function to add the other columns here. It's pretty custom. You can customize this the way you want it. You can add, just put a new argument here, new column, and then create your new column that you want. Let me just use the basic here and hit enter. As you can see, it will create with one little code our calendar table. Pretty cool, right? I will be leaving this DAX code in the comments below, so you can grab it and use it in your own model. So that's it. That's the two ways that we can create DAX columns, DAX tables, calendar tables inside our model. So, what do you think about our video today? Let me know all in the comments below. I also gonna leave in the comments the formula DAX that I used to create the DIN calendar with just one code. And in another comment, I'm gonna leave you a link to two ebooks, one about Excel and one for Power BI. They are very complete and I think they will help you a lot in your data journey. They cover from the basics to advanced with a lot of explanation about each topic with examples. So if you got interested, go there, click the link and check it out. And we see you on the next video. Bye.